So I want to talk to you all about how you can, as students, monitor your grades and your attendance. And so in order to do that, you're going to log into your PowerSchool account, and that is housed in NCEd Cloud. And so it is the same place we go to get Canvas, but it's going to bring us to our homepage instead of going straight into Canvas. So in the URL, you're going to open Google. In the URL, you are going to type in my.ncedcloud.org and hit enter, and that will bring you to your Rapid Identity. So this should be a familiar screen. So again, this is how you log in each day to Canvas. So it is the same account. You're going to put in your username, which is your student ID, and then you're going to hit go. Now you are going to use that same password that you use when you're accessing Canvas. If you need to make sure that you have spelled everything correctly, you can hit that eyeball that's right there next to the arrow. That will show you the password, so you can ensure that you are putting that in correctly so that you can gain access to your NC Cloud account. Once you know that you have spelled everything correctly, you're going to hit go, and it is going to take you into your home page of Rapid Identity. Now, you have several tiles that you'll see here. You can access your Canvas account from here as well as Clever and SchoolNet. But what we want to find is the tile that says PowerSchool Student. You're going to click that, and it's going to open into your grades and attendance. So some of the things that I want to point out here. So in your navigation bar on the left, it will default you to your grades and attendance. Up at the top, you will see your first and last name. You will also see your schedule, as well as last week's and the current week's attendance. So that's a great way just to check very quickly and see what your current attendance is. Anything that you see that is blue in blue, that is a hyperlink. So you'll notice that you can email your teacher straight from this page. You can also look at your quarter one grades, your quarter two grades, and your semester grades. And those are also current, as well as absence for each class and cumulative tardies for each class. Now, what you are able to do is you can look at specific classes. So if you look at, for example, here, this honors ELA grade 7, that semester average is currently a 74. So if I click on that 74, what it's going to do is it's going to open that honors ELA page. It will show me exactly what my average is, my final grade is at this point. It's going to show me every single assignment that I have that has been put into Canvas and then synced to PowerSchool. It will also show me any flags. So for example, if something was turned in on time, it's a green check. If it was late, if it was incomplete, if it's missing, you notice it's missing, there'll be a purple circle. And there is a key at the bottom of this page to tell you what those indicators all mean, those flags. The next thing you can see as you move to the right, you have your score. So for Common Lit assessment questions, this person has a 6.5 out of 10, which then equates to a 65%. And then to the far right, you see the word view. You can click on this to view what the Canvas assignment was. So there's a lot of information that can be gained in these pages here in your PowerSchool app. The other thing, if you go to the left on your navigation bar and click My Schedule, you can see what your daily schedule is. So it has it for each day and it updates it each week. So you know what class you have on A day versus B day. Another way to keep up with your attendance is on the navigation bar on the left, click Attendance History. This will show you from the very first day of school, every class attendance. So a 1R is present, a 2A is absent. So you're able to keep track of your absences and your attendance for each class. The last thing I want to look at is grade history, and that is right here on the left-hand side under navigation. This will show you your scored grades for the last several years in CMS. You're also able to look at your historical grades as well. So if you have any questions, reach out to your teacher. You can also reach out to Ms. Bailey as well. Thank you.